Alright, so the first splice is just your regular stripping off the insulation. So this wire is a 12 gauge, which is the size of the wire. And so you locate the 12 gauge on the pliers, put it in that hole, crimp it down, put your thumb up against there and hold the wire with your hand and just push off, like that. And then you'll get the copper revealed. So then you go down, let's do a shepherd's hook. Same thing, crimp it down, push off with your thumb. Then you take the wire, the very top, and then bend it down like that. Put it down more until you get a hook. And that's called a shepherd's hook. Then for a pigtail splice, same thing. Crimp it down, take off the insulation, take the two wires together, take the lineman pliers, crimp down, and then twist together until you get a nice spiral like that. So that is a 2-wire pigtail. Now you can go up to a 3-wire pigtail. Same thing. Get used to that. Crimping down. Put the 3 wires together, as so. Crimp down. Now you could also go up to a 4-wire pigtail, but we're just going to go up to 3 right now. Twist them around until you get the spiral. Like that. There's your 3-wire. You also could use the cutting part to cut off the excess so it's nice and even. And that's a 3-wire pigtail. Then the third and last one that we're doing is a fixture splice, which you take off the insulation. Now this is called stranded wire. This is on all your fixtures. Strip that off. I'll strip off some more. You twist the stranded wires as so. Grab your regular wire and you just twist the stranded wire around the copper wire like that. Then you would put a wire nut on there and tape it off.